Hello everyone, my name is Musa Putra. I will give a material K13 Learning Models. Learning Model in Curriculum 2013. In the curriculum, there are three mainstay learning models that can support teaching and learning activities. This is based on Permendikbud nomor 103 of 2014, which has a vision so that students can develop and have scientific character, curiosity, and social behavior. The three models that are the main style of the 2013 curriculum or K13 are the project-based learning model, the problem-based learning model, and the discovery learning model. Problem-based learning atau PBL is a teaching method characterized by the existence of real problem as a context for students to learn critical thinking and problem-solving skill and gain knowledge. Dutch 1995. The problem-based learning atau PBL model in the 2013 curriculum has the following stage. Student orientation towards problem. At this stage, the teacher must explain the learning objective and activities to be carried out so that students know what the main objective of learning are, what problem will be discussed, how the teacher will evaluate the learning process. This is to provide basic concept to students. Teacher must be able to motivate students to be actively involved in solving the choose problem. Organizing student. At this stage, the teacher helps students define and organize learning tasks related to problems that have been oriented. For example, helping students for small groups, helping students read the problem found in the previous stage. They're trying to make hypotheses on the problems found, guiding individual and group investigation. At this stage, the teacher encourages students to collect and much information as possible, carry out experiments, critique, and share their own ideas to get explanation and problem solving, develop and present the work. At this stage, the teacher helps students in analyzing the data that has been collected in the previous stage. According to the data, with the problems that have been formulated, the groups by category. Students give arguments against problem-solving answer. Words can be made in the form of reports, videos, or models. Analyze and evaluate the problem-solving process. At this stage, the teacher asks students to reconstruct the tasks and activities that have been carried out during the process of learning of the activities. Teacher and student analyze and evaluate the problem solving presented by each group. After finishing learning, do not forget that the teacher provides reinforcement so that students have a unanimous concept of the basic competencies being studied. Project-based learning atau PJBL model syntax. Project-based learning model is a learning model that involves the activeness of students in solving problems. It is carried out in groups or independently, taught scientific, stuck with a certain time limit and outline in a product for further presentation to others. The characteristics include in project-based learning: 1. Completion of tasks is carried out independently, starting from the planning, preparation to product presentation stage. 2. Students are fully responsible for the project to be productive. 3. The project involves the roles of peers, teacher, parents, and even the community. 4. Strength, creativity, thinking skill. And 5. Class situations are very tolerant of deficiencies and the development of ideas. The characteristics include in project-based learning, PGBL include completion of tasks. It's carried out independently, starting from the planning, preparation to the product presentation stage. Students are fully responsible for the project to be product. Project involves the roles of peers, teacher, parents, and even the community. Strength, creativity, thinking skill, and class situation are very tolerant and deficiencies and the development of ideas. Okay, thank you for today and see you.